Death Kitty play while you press the button. You become part of the PC Master Race. You'll have to bring your console. I will not. I do not know what that is about. Because I'm stupid. Bad? I don't know. You become a popular celebrity, but the only social media sites you can post on are Google. It doesn't matter. I mean, you can never become a celebrity. Bad? I don't know. You can enter any reality from any game, TV, show, or book. Ooh, but you are stuck in that reality forever and unable to change the plot or ending. No! Oh, that one seems so cool, though. If I had to be in any one, it would be maybe as Katniss Everdeen, because I guess she wins in the end, but has a good life, has awesome, and she survives. But she sees so much horror, and she sees her sister die. Maybe I play Five Nights at Freddy's, but it'd probably make me the night guard, so I'd die. Dang. I will not. I want to decide the future. I don't want that to happen. Bad. That was a bad one because I just... Well, actually, it was a good dilemma. But you get $100 million. Someone on the wall will try to kill you in 1 year. But I'll hire someone to protect my butt, and they'll kill them. Good. I feel this is better. Yup. I said it. It's better. You get to perform on Broadway. The show you are in... I take acting very seriously. I was actually in a play in middle school. I like plays. I'd like to perform. So, no. But I take that very seriously. Become the best out of any online gamer. The best at any online game. You'll occasionally and hitting as high as... I won't be right back. Let me sing that intro. Oh, I see it in your eyes. We love each other. Sorry for all this noise. Guess it's bad. Stop sending me emails. You will become the royal trillionaire. You will have all forms. No, I will not, because they don't have a cure for a lot of cancers, and I don't know if chemo will work. It'd be cool to be a trillionaire. It's like literally make trillions of dollars, and you make enough trillions of dollars that you can go, America, you know what? Here's some money. You better pay for debt with that, and if the debt doesn't go to zero, who'll ever give you money again? Earth will no longer have any human suffering. You're not allowed to experience this new Earth. You're not alive to... I'd do it for others. It's a good dilemma. Helps others. I'd do it. Put others before myself. Sorry, I'm checking something. I'm checking my other videos. No one's looking at my videos. If you're watching this video, please watch my other one so I can feel special or something. You can now make an unlimited amount of clones of everything, including yourself, that lasts for a week. You will become empty. I will not. I have been suicidal in the past, and I may still be suicidal. I'm trying not to be, though.
Okay.
Boopity boopity boop. Definitely bad. Don't want to become suicidal. You double your lifespan. Each year you are forced to flip and call a coin. If you call it incorrectly, you lose a finger. This will continue. Nope. That is horrifying. Because I'm bad at flipping coins. Usually. Next out of that. Don't need it. You get a sweet condo on the top floor with a wonderful view of the city of your dreams. Some dude always sneezes on the back of your neck when you're in the elevator. Pff, I don't care. Wipe it off. Good. I can understand where those people don't want to. Program anything in your mind, like the Matrix. Everything in your mind. I'd never use it then. Yeah, the majority was with me. Because I'm awesome. You'll overcome your fear of spirits, ghosts, and ghouls, and ghosts. But you will have to. Heck yeah, it'd be fun. Ghostbusters! You see the future. You see one that's close to you, death. I will not. That'd be too much. I'd probably commit suicide. Whatever. People vote what you want. I wouldn't. You gain the ability teleport in that place next to a bathroom. It's a better one. I saw this one where it was like you get this great advantage, and it says there is no downside. And that guy was like, "Click, you get to go to Hogwarts." Mordor. No, I don't want to live as Sauron or Saruman or Sauron. That's bad. It might kill me. Those orcs might kill me. Become a millionaire for the rest of your life. I don't know why, but I don't want body odor. I just hate body odor. Bad. Most people go, I don't care what people think of me. Get all that of me. You okay? I don't care. Like Roland Tuck, I guess. Being able to have wings and just fly without being called a freak. Awesome. You gain infinite marbles. Sausage. Stick. 6 grams of protein. Why am I interested in that? I have the attention span of a child. Wow. You can shapeshift. All the people you've Shapeshifting, awesome. I have to kiss everybody that I want to shapeshift into. If I want to shapeshift into Markiplier, I have to stalkerishly track him down and give him a kiss. Like a stalker. Or if I want to turn into Jacksepticeye or Johnny Depp, I look like some weird freak. Like, why are you kissing me? How did you find where I live? You're a stalker. No, I will not. Because that would just be weird. No, that's very bad. Now I have goosebumps. Become a Pokemon. Pikachu all the way. Maybe something more powerful. Mew all the way, or the most powerful Pokemon all the way. You will be changed into look exactly how you wish. You'll forget all your memories. I will not. I have to stop. I'll make another one.